Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
Begin by assembling all ingredients and tools so you cook without pauses. Bring 1 quart of salted water to a boil and cook 8 Oz dried egg noodles for 3 minutes until al dente, then drain and toss with 1 tsp sesame oil to prevent sticking. Slice 8 Oz flank steak thin against the grain into bite-sized strips. Season with 1 tablespoon soy sauce and 1 tsp cornstarch. Mince 2 cloves garlic and grate 1-inch fresh ginger. Combine 2 tablespoons soy sauce, 1 tablespoon oyster sauce, 1 tsp sugar, and 1 tablespoon sesame oil for the sauce. Heat a clean wok or large skillet over very high heat until smoking. Add 2 tablespoon vegetable oil and swirl to coat. Add the marinated beef in a single layer and stir-fry for about 2 minutes until browned but still slightly pink inside to avoid drying out. Remove beef and stir-fry vegetables, 1 cup sliced carrots, 1 cup snap peas, and 1 cup shredded cabbage, for about 90 seconds to keep them crisp. Return beef. Add drained noodles and the prepared sauce, tossing continuously for 45 to 60 seconds until everything is evenly coated and heated through. To finish, taste and adjust seasoning with up to 1 tsp salt or 1 tsp soy sauce if needed, then drizzle 1 tablespoon toasted sesame oil for aroma. Toss in 2 tablespoons sliced green onions and optional 1 tablespoon rice vinegar for brightness. Mix for 20 seconds. Serve immediately on warm plates to preserve the noodle texture and contrast between tender beef and crisp vegetables. Cool leftovers quickly, then store in an airtight container and refrigerate for up to 3 days. Reheat gently in a pan with 1 tsp oil to restore texture.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.